I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back.
Hey you guys, welcome back to another video. So I've already started by applying my tapered square tip to my hand model, which is just my fake hand, and I'm coming in with the outer space tip cutters just to cut some of the length off, and then coming in with Glam and Glitz 5th Avenue, Reflex from Glitter Planet, Mint Delight from Glitter Planet, and then we are going to go ahead and start the design. So I'm starting off by applying the Glam and Glitz 5th Avenue colour. Now if this was a regular client, you would definitely do all of your nail prep and lie down that clear base as well, but because I'm just showing you a quick demo, I've just gone straight in with my design powders. So I've placed my first bead at the cuticle area and made sure to make the product nice and flush and even as well. You don't want any big lumps, so you want to use the tip and also the belly of your brush to pat the product into place, and once you've got the bulk of it where you want, you then apply light strokes, just blending it down nicely so that you don't create any ridges or bumpiness. So once I've applied a thin layer of the colour, I'm then ready to come in with some clear acrylic, and this is just going to act as a base for my glitters, and I'm using Mint Delight first, and it just went so stunning with the base colour that I had used. Honestly, it was gorgeous. And then when I put the Reflex over the top, it literally was even better. And Reflex is one of my favourite glitters from Glitter Planet as well, because you can literally put it with anything, along with like rainbow bokeh and rainbow lights. Literal goals. So yeah, once I'm happy with my glitter placement, I'm just coming in with clear and capping the entire nail. The brush that I am using is the number 10 Magic Stick from Nailmate, and it is available at glitterplanetuk.com, so please go ahead and check that out. They should be live now, so I will make sure to have the link for you guys in the description box down below. So yeah, definitely check it out. So this nail, once I finish capping, I will go ahead and file and buff, and I'll just do that off of camera because there's no need to kind of waste time. The nail isn't kind of like the focus for this video, but I wanted to just still keep that in there for you guys anyway, just because why the heck not. The main focus is actually the 3D unicorn, which we will be getting onto in a little minute. So I've finished filing and buffing, and it's time to add some top coat, and OMG, let's just replay that because damn, Daniel. Like seriously, I absolutely love applying the top coat over fresh glitter looks. Honestly, it is the best, literally. Like look how gorgeous. This combo as well of glitter and colour is bomb. Here I'm just showing you the brush that I'm using. I'm using the number 2 Nailmate 3D brush and also the number 10 Magic Stick. So this is the number 10 Magic Stick, and it's the hollow handle one. So I'm just using that to add the bulk of the white, and the white is also from Nailmate, launching in 2018, so that's super exciting. So this is going to form the head. So I've taken quite a large bead, and I haven't made the bead too runny. You want your consistency medium to dry, so you don't want it too wet that you can't sort of control it, but you don't want it too dry that you can't move it around. So I'm just patting it into place, making sure that it's nice and flat, or as flat as you want it to be. Obviously you can have it sticking up more if you want that, and I'm just kind of like creating an egg shape, kind of, but not really. You can see what I'm going for. Just making sure to pat it into position where I want, and once I'm happy with that, I will then come in with the number 2 3D brush, and I will come in and do the ears. So this is one of the 3D brushes available. We also have the number 5 as well, which is a larger 3D brush than this one, but I do like this. It is super tiny for extra detail, and I just absolutely love it. So yeah, I applied 2 tiny little balls of white acrylic, and I'm just allowing that to set ever so slightly because I still want to be able to manipulate that acrylic around. Just got a little piece of glitter in there, so I had to get that out. And by using the belly of this 3D brush, I can work the acrylic into place and press it open almost as though I'm doing a flower petal, and then I can use the tip and the belly of the brush to bring those sides back in into a pointed ear shape, and I just do that on both sides for the 2 ears, of course, and then once I've done that I'll be back to do the horn. Okay, so it's time to do the horn now that we've finished the ears, and I'm just coming in with a small bead. Yeah, I'm going to say it's small because it's definitely not medium. And then an even smaller bead on top because I knew that I would need more product. So you can do that. You can literally, as soon as you apply and think, I need a little bit more, just quickly apply some more on top. As long as you do it around about the same time, they will still set at a similar time. So I'm just using the belly and the body of my brush to really work that product into shape and drag it up into a pointed horn shape. You can literally do it to whatever shape that you want, but as you can see here, I'm just taking my time to move the product into place. And whilst that product's still quite wet and hasn't started to set yet, it will keep on running out of place, but the trick is just to keep your patience with it and just keep moving it back into position, because eventually it will set. So yeah, I'm just keeping moving it into position, and then I will add a little bit more of acrylic over the top just to make it a bit more defined, because from the side view it did dip down a little bit and I wanted everything to sort of like be raised up equally. I didn't want it to look odd looking, if you know what I'm saying. So I just add a little bit more to the top and also define the point to the end of the horn. So now the horn has started to set, it's getting a matte-like texture to it. I'm coming in with this tool and I've just dipped it in some white acrylic to make sure that it doesn't lift any of the acrylic that I have applied, and also so that the acrylic doesn't stick to the tool. So that just really helps to do that. And I'm just pressing it in to make the spiral effect on the horn. You don't have to make these 3D pieces complicated. They can be super simple, and just adding little details like this really gives them a lot more like something to it rather than being flat. So even though it might seem like you're doing something super small, it's definitely worth taking that added step to add extra details. So now that I'm happy with that, it's time to come in with the hair, or the mane of the unicorn. And because I'd done like the blue turquoise base of the nail, I decided to keep the theme running through and do 3 types of bluey green colours. So we've got the turquoise, which is my custom mix, the pale green and the pale blue, which is from Tone's acrylic products, which I'll have a link down below for you guys, as well as a coupon code. Hopefully that code is still active. I have absolutely no idea, it's been such a long time, but again, I will still always just have it down below if you guys want to check it out. So I applied the 3 colours next to each other in 3 small beads, and then just using the belly and the tip of my brush, I'm working that product into the position that I want, making sure to continuously clean my brush throughout, because when doing 3D work it's difficult sometimes to stop your brush from getting clogged if you're not working properly with the product, and that really just does come with practice and experience working with acrylic in such a different kind of way, because it's not like you're just making a set of nails. It's quite a lot different, and it takes a little bit more skill, but practice does make perfect. And yeah, if you guys want more 3D videos like this, and I'll do like different things, if you want to request something down below, then I can definitely go ahead and try and add that to a weekly upload for you guys, and I can explain it in a lot of detail as I am doing with this one, if it helps you guys at all. So as you saw there, I did add these same colours over the top just to add some definition to the hair, some sort of like hair strands, and then I'm coming down the side of the head and I'm just adding the mane to one side. Again, I'm just doing that in all 3 colours, and then I'll be coming in to add some more details. Okay, so I must not have recorded, but I have applied no wipe top coat just to the horn, and I've cured that in the light for 30 seconds in an LED lamp, and now I'm applying some mirror chrome or silver chrome. You could add aurora pigment or whatever effect you want, even a rose gold would look bomb. But yeah, I'm just applying that gently and precisely just to the horn to add some details there. And once I finish that, I'll dust off the excess and add another top coat. And then I'm coming in with some black acrylic paint and adding some details for the eyes. And I'm using the 3-piece nail art brush, which is from glitterplanetuk.com. I will have that linked for you guys in the description box down below. And yeah, I do really enjoy using these brushes. They are super affordable. And for me, I just found that they do get the job done. So it's nice to have some cheaper brushes and also nice to have some more expensive ones as well. So I'm just drawing on the little eyelids and some like really tiny eyelashes, and the details really do just make the whole thing come together and make it super cute, and I just absolutely love the way it turned out. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and also like and share it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I would really love that. And please always remember that you are bomb.com lit as fuck, and don't ever let anyone tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye.
I'm always doing the most. Finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back. Let it swing right back.